How to start earn money from stock market. Educate yourself. Before you start investing, it's essential to educate yourself about how the stock market works, different investment options. Read books, take online courses, watch educational videos, and follow reputable financial websites. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals and investment. Are you looking for short-term gains, long-term growth, or a combination of? Having clear goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Build a strong financial foundation, pay off high-interest debts and create an emergency fund before you. This ensures you have a solid financial base. Create a budget. Allocate a portion of your income for investment. It's important to invest only what you can afford to lose, as the stock market can. Choose an investment approach. Decide whether you want to be an active investor, picking individual stocks, or a passive investor, using index funds. Consider your risk tolerance, time commitment, and level of expertise when making the. Open an investment account. Choose a reputable brokerage platform to open and invest. Research fees, available tools, and customer service quality. Ensure the brokerage offers access to the types of investments you're. Start small and diversify. Begin with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks or funds across different sectors. Invest regularly. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment. Regular investing can help you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging and reduce the impact of market. Research and analysis. When picking individual stocks, conduct thorough research and analysis. Consider a company's financial health, competitive position, and growth prospects. Use both fundamental analysis, company financials, earnings, and technical analysis, price trends, chart patterns, to make informed decisions. Stay informed, stay updated on market news, economic trends, and geopolitical events that could impact. Keep learning and refining your investment strategy based on new. Practice patience and discipline. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and avoid emotional decision-making. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Professional advice if needed. If you're unsure about investing on your own, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your. Remember that the stock market involves risks, and there are no guaranteed risks. Be prepared for both gains and losses, and focus on building a well-rounded, diversified portfolio. Smash that like button, subscribe for financial insights, and share the knowledge. Your journey to stock market.